Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jedla welcomes you to today's session on LaTeX. Today I am going to discuss how to build your own resume using the Overleaf. So here I am going to discuss related to the concept of Overleaf, where the Overleaf is a tool for typesetting the professional looking documents. It is generally used for document writing related to the thesis or projects, and it is even used for the resume writing. So here this particular document writer, that is the LaTeX, is the tool which provides an interactive page between the code as well as the result. In between there will be a compiler which is called as the text engine. Text engine is the compiler where you are going to write on the LA, where whatever you write it will be displayed. So here by using that, and later you can even convert it into the PDF file. This is all about the LaTeX. LaTeX, you will find the commands such as the HTML tags, and these commands will be used to write the data on the text file, where it will be compiled and output will be received in the text file. Later this output will be converted into the PDF. Now comes to the why you have to learn LaTeX. LaTeX is easier to code, and even if it is a big document, if you have got any error, simply you can go to that particular page number and you can do the changes in the LaTeX very easily. So let us see a sample piece of the code of the LaTeX, where the code is written here slash document class article, then begin document, first document. This is a sample simple example with no extra parameter. So here begin and end, the article started with the document. So the article is started with the document and it will be with the begin and end. Once you execute the text engine, LaTeX in LaTeX TX engine, then you will get this as an output. So here every document will start with a statement slash document class opening braces article closing braces. Then comes to the document content, where the content will be of the two parts. One is the source and another is the rich text. That means when you recompile it, you will get the output. So source will be where you are going to write the code, and the output where you are going to get the output. Here you will have the graphic related to the title, author, date information. Not only that, you can even add the comments to your document. You can use the bold, italic and underlining, and you can see here as an example bold, then italic. So here in another example you can see bold, underline, italic. So all these BIU can be used here. Not only that, you can even add the images. So here images can be kept in the folder, and that can be given the path here for the graphic images and captions and references, and all these can be even the ordered list. So this is all about the Overleaf. Now let us go to the resume writing part. So SR University resume, a standard resume is given. So here I am using all the things or dummy which are not related. As per the usual rules, I should not give any identification here. So Here, the name of the student should be given here, and then comes to the phone number, then email ID, then comes to the LinkedIn link. This should be an hyperlink so that on clicking it will go to the particular website, and where and recruiter can see your details. This hyperlink of the LinkedIn should have all the details of you, the LinkedIn, and all the certificates you obtained should be posted in the LinkedIn. And then comes to the after the LinkedIn, the next thing is the GitHub is the place where you are going to post all your projects. All the projects should be there in your GitHub. Then comes to the let code, hacker rank, and hacker earth. These are the three different links where your code will be generate. You can your score will be verified by the recruiter. This should be an hyperlink. That means on click on them, you should get into that particular web page. Then comes to the education. Here university, then the address of the university, CGPA, from which year to which year. Then comes to the intermediate, which college you studied in the intermediate, then CGPA, then from which year to which year. Then comes to the school study related to it, and from which year to which year. So here there is a subsection known as the education. In education, you can see all this code. This code is provided in the down to the YouTube explanation of the overleaf, and the code will be provided so that it is easy for you to complete your resume. So here after the education, the next step is the projects. You should able to explain the related to the projects in single line, and that is the mini project, main project, and the capstone project, hackathon project, or whatso related projects are there. That hyperlink should be there in the GitHub. Even though you written the description regarding your project here, the hyperlink should be in the GitHub. Then comes to the internship. The internships are related to the how far you are done. There is the experiences you received. That all details should be there in the internships. Then comes to the technical skills. What are the technical skills you have? That means what are the languages you know, what are the web designing, or whatever the technical skills you have to mention here. Then comes to the achievement, that is your certificates, workshop related, um, all your certificate related, workshop related, and other certificates. If you are in the sports related, if you are in any other activities, co-curricular related, and all these things, at the end you can give additional information about your address, passport, Aadhaar card, or some other details, and finally you can give your information that related to the declaration that all whatever I mentioned above is true up to my knowledge, and give a space for signature. This is not so mandatory regarding the declaration and your address and other details or PAN details, but if it is there, it is well better. Okay, so everything, whatever you written, it should be adjusted in only one page, not more than that. Hope you all understood well related to the latex and how you have to generate the code, and you can compile that. Then once you compiling, after writing the code, you have to compile it. That means after doing some modification, you can compile it, and you will get the output. And to get the PDF as a document, you can click here to download the PDF. This is all for today. Hope you understood well the concept, how to build a resume, and hope you all will prepare the resume based on this particular tutorial. Thank you. Thank you very much.